Hello and welcome to Chords to Jam. Today I'll be showing you how to play a D major chord. Now to start, you're going to use your thumb to play the D note, your middle finger to play the F sharp, and your pinky to play the A note. All together, that creates the D major. And you can play it with your left hand, just swap positions and play the D note with your pinky, still playing the F sharp with your middle finger, and the A note will be played by your thumb. So there's the D major with your left hand and right hand. And if you played them together, that creates a more full sound for the D chord. Now, that's the root position, starting with the D note, F sharp, and A. But if you move over and go F sharp, A, D, that is what's known as the first inversion of the D chord. And if you move over once more, A, D, F sharp, that is the second inversion of the D major chord. So there you have it. There's several different ways to perform a D major chord. Hopefully this helps you out in some way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.